kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make honey garlic chicken wings. This is another one of my mother-in-law's recipes. In Cantonese, it's called Before we begin, please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Now, let's begin. For this recipe, you will need 2 pounds of chicken wings separated at the joints and the tips removed. To make the marinade for the chicken wings, we will start with 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, then we will add 3 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, three tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of Shao Hsing cooking wine, then we add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of plum sauce. Finely slice 2 of the garlic cloves. Finely mince the other 2 garlic cloves and add them to the marinade. And then add the sliced garlic cloves to the marinade. Grab a whisk and give the marinade a good mix. Then pour the marinade over the chicken wings. Then give it a good mix to make sure all the wings are coated with the marinade. Once that's done, put the lid on your container and stick it in the fridge. Marinate the chicken wings for 2 to 4 hours or even overnight. Then lay the chicken wings on a parchment-lined baking tray in a single layer. Then brush the tops of the chicken wings with the marinade. Then bake the chicken wings in a preheated oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, remove the chicken wings and turn them over to the other side. Brush more marinade on the chicken wings before putting them back in the oven. Bake the chicken wings for another 15 to 20 minutes until they're nicely browned and caramelized. Then transfer these sweet and savory chicken wings to a serving platter. Garnish with a little sesame seeds and you're done. That's my take on my mother-in-law's recipe for honey garlic chicken wings. Again, in Cantonese, it's called Hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching. Bye.